Hello, my name is Rachel Ashmore and I'm here at the ISE booth. This is ISE 2020 and I'm here with the titanium 86-inch ActivPanel. So one of the features of the ActivPanel is that it has an Android interface, and on that Android interface sits a range of apps. So one of the apps that we have is the Whiteboard. So we know that teachers want access to a whiteboard really quickly and really easily. So this is a multi-touch whiteboard, so we can use our pinch and zoom and multi-touch functionality. You'll also see that this is an infinite canvas, so we can scroll around and access images from anywhere on that canvas. You can use touch input or you can use your pen. We also have a range of teacher apps, including timers and spinners, and those apps sit within the locker on the panel. I can change the source, so I'm not limited to my Android interface. I can also access an OPS. So this OPS is actually a Windows interface, and you can see my Windows interface here. Sitting on that interface is a piece of award-winning software called Activinspire. And this is globally used by teachers and has been for many, many years. Again, it supports the multi-touch functionality that we have on the panel. For more information, do visit prometheanworld.com or come and see us at the ISE stand. Thank you.